All right, so continuing on my lawn rant, kind of the top 5 things to making a lawn nice. Just to recap, the first thing, picking good species of grass for your lawn. Next thing is going to be cutting that grass to the right height. Third thing is going to be regularly aerating and seeding that grass by the type. Around here, once a year in the fall is the recommended time frame. That way you're not fighting pre-emergence in the spring, and also you got the longest window for seeding. The winter doesn't seem to kill off our grasses here, but the summer definitely takes its toll on our cool season grasses, which seem to have the longest green life and the thickest, healthiest living conditions in our area. Seems like we're more suited for that cool weather. So number 4, then, after you've got all these basic stuff, you would think the first thing is to kill all the weeds and put fertilizer out all over the place. But actually, that's going to come in number 4. Once you've got your grass seed sown, you want to make sure that it's got the appropriate nutrients. So you want to put it on a fertilizer or nutrient program. Any really program probably works for that, as long as they're timing it correctly. You don't want to hit it too high with nitrogen in the summers. The other thing is that killing the competition by removing the weed pressure in the lawns. And so, a lot of having a nice lawn is just having a good, well-blended lawn that doesn't have multiple species of plants in it, and that includes weeds. It also includes other types of grass. But if you can get it down to just 2 types of grass that are kind of blended well together, a lot of times you're going to have a pretty nice looking lawn. Around here, fescue bluegrass is our go-to. But if you fertilize it and do the weed control stuff, the only thing really you can do to keep improving your grass after that